Welcome. In this lecture, we will discuss about the conversion of meal emission to more emission. Here is the following steps. Draw the meal emission diagram. Construct meal emission transition table. Okay. First of all, you have to construct the meal emission transition table. Later, there construct the meal to more. Okay. Not construct. It is convert meal to more emission. Okay. Let's go through an example. Let's take an example. Okay, it is a basic small example, friends. Starting state, take 0 as an input, output goes to the B state. Now let's take input 0 goes to B with the small b as output. Okay, beyond take input 1 goes to C state, producing output small a. C on take input 1, go to C itself with producer output small b. C on beyond take input 1 goes to C with the output small a. C on take input as 0, go to small a. Okay, it is a meal emission. Okay, it is a meal emission. Now we have to convert it into more emission. The procedure is to convert the meal to more is we have to place this output symbol within the state itself. Okay, let's go through it. Starting state 0. Okay, let's take the input 0, it will goes to B. Okay, B, and produce the output as A. Okay, then it takes the B takes the input 0 and it will stay within B only, so we have to write another B here, which takes the input 0, goes to second part of the B. I mean subdivided, B is subdivided into the two parts. Okay, produce the output 0. Okay, it is accepted only single 0. If there is a multiple zeros, then we have to place a loop here 0. Okay, we have to declare that it is a B part A, this part B. Now this B is subdivided into the two parts. When there is is no equal output there. I mean, if A will take the input 0 and produce the output A only, okay, then we should have to write here A. In next case also there, it takes the input 0 and produce the small b as an output, so we can't write the two outputs within the state like A, B. So in this type of situation, we have to split the state into the two parts like part A and part B. Is that clear, friends? Now A on takes input 1 goes to C and produce the output as A. Okay, and B on takes input 1 and goes to C. Okay, it is 1 1. Hence B taking the input 1 and produce the output A. Okay, same here, and A also takes the input 1 and produce small a as an output, so we can directly mention here. But here C takes the input 1 and goes to its same state only with the different output small b. So here already mentioned the small a, then we can't mention another output symbol within the state. So we have to divide the C into two parts. This is the part A, and take the another path like C of A takes the input 1 and goes to the CB with production output as small b. Okay, now repeat this loop for an n number of b's. Okay, then this condition is accepted here. Now C1 takes 0 and goes to the A. Okay, C1 0 goes to small a with production output. Then we have also create the path for the second part also, because in the Mealy mission the C state is taking the input 0 and produces the output A, and it reaches to the B state. Now C is divided into two parts only, so we have to make sure that path will contain the two subparts of the C only. Okay, we have to mention the two subparts of the C. Both are same only, but as to clear our confusion, while in case of the output symbols within the states, we have splitted into the two parts, like for the output symbol A, for the output symbol B, but both are the same, so we have to mention the same path also here. C on 0 takes the 0 here. The same scenario applicable for second part of the B also. Here first part of the B, we takes the input 1 and goes to the C, no, hence B of second part also taking the input 1 and goes to is CA also, C also. Okay, so clear friends. Now have to make the path like that. Input and so takes input 1. Okay, here is not B, it is 1 here. Okay, and it is the Moore emission for the Mealy emission, hence it is equivalent Moore emission for the given Mealy emission. Okay, it is optional to construct the transition table also. If you don't want to construct the transition table, we skip it. Okay, have see the transition table for Moore emission, newly existing Moore emission. Okay, newly existing Moore emission, first state here, and first inputs 0 comma 1, yes, 0 and 1, and produce the output. Okay, this is a transition state. Now state A, okay, starting state A takes the input 0 and goes to BA. Okay, BA takes the input 1 and goes to CA and produce the output as small a. Is that clear, friends? Okay, now BA on taking input 0 and goes to the second part of the B, and BA on taking the input 1 and goes to second part of the CA. Okay, then its output is small a and BB. Second part of the B takes the input 0 and goes to the second part of the B only, and second part of the B takes the 1 as input and goes to second part of the CA. Takes the input as B. Okay, and CA, no, okay, CA, I write it here, CA on taking input 0 will move to the BA, and CA on taking the input 1, on taking 1 goes to the CB. CA as input as 0, CB on taking input 0 goes to BA, CB on taking input and goes to CB on SB. Hence, it is the required transition table for this newly existing more emission. Okay, this procedure. This way to convert the given meal emission into more emission. Thank you, friends.